Oh God!
So I just realized that I have given away my identity in the past, so moving forward I'm going to conceal it with shades. Let's do a mini build. So I just realized that I have given away my identity in the past, so moving forward I'm going to conceal it with shades. Let's do a mini build. It's a little desk covered in awesome stuff, and I want to put a shelf from here over to there. So I need to find a board that's 74 inches. Boop. Oh, get out of town. 74 inches. Got it. Life hack, Norman, to get dust off an old board. The lazy way. You approve? Kinda. Okay. Got some stuff cleared off. Let's put up the board. Alright, let's see if I can do this board one-handed. Yeah. Alright, I'm leaving an inch overhang on this end in case I ever want to put a splice board across and extend this out. This end I got a little over a foot, or about a foot hanging off, so I can put things up here to plug in. Makita, Makita. Sing me the tune. Yes. Or you can plug in a couple of heads. Or you can plug in your laser pointer. What's up, bro? This is a cool USB one I got from Amazon. Yeah. I tell you what, if you get one of these Makita drills, if it's kind of dark, just pull in the trigger a little bit and it turns on the light. Now you can see your stuff. Get the lithium too, they last a long time, a lot of power. Now that shelf board is about 3/4 inch, so let's find the right screws for it. Those are 1 inch, 3 inch, those are a little too long. I'll show you what you can do with the shorter screws, if that's what you got. Or how short these screws are. This is just a regular Phillips bit. Okay, don't let your dad see you do this. I drilled down in there a little ways because these are short screws. Boom. Magnetic tip bits like this. I think these are 4 inch. Excellent. Get them Amazon. You just gotta jack it until it goes all the way down. See if it's sturdy. Yes. Approve? Alright. Boom. You gotta blow it. You've been naughty. Whoa. Knock something down. Don't you hate it when you don't know what fell? Naughty, that is your cousin's screw now. Oh, I found what fell. Aluminum utility wire. This stuff is amazing. Get it. Now I'm just placing excess stuff up here. Ooh. Diamonds, diamonds, balls. Woo, woo, woo. Boom. Boom. Sweet. Something's missing though. There's nothing hanging. We have to add things to hang. Very good. Not anymore. Or maybe you want to use longer nails to hang stuff like magnifier hood. All right, let me just hold on to the shelf and put that screw in. Oh God! Oh. This has been Wayward Zombie Shop Tips, y'all. Keep on screwing. Here's the after, with the shelf put up. Let me just show you guys some of the ideas I've been working on. Got a whole folder